Of the places, this is it.
This is it, yes.
Right, so this is a lovely place. Come down, have a food. You have an amazing view here. Right, mostly. Huh? It's like you're working from home. You work from, where are you from? Delhi. Nice, nice. I'm from Delhi as well. Yeah, so you're just shooting few of the places. So work from home. Work from Goa. Okay. So what do you do?
I'm a pre-sales consultant.
Ah.
I'm a pre-sales consultant.
Pre-sales consultant. Okay, nice, nice. Real estate. So, getting my hands onto Goa and exploring how it goes. Please, please, carry. I would advise people to come next year because Baga में रुको या Arambol में रुको, इस टाइम बात एक ही है. See, let's see more of Arambol. No drugs, no love, no hugs. Super cheap. Miami. बस कुछ नहीं है यहाँ फिरंगी बिठा दो लोग आ जाएंगे. This is the best I could find here. कर दो इसको प्रमोट ही कर दो भाई. Oh. This is the best we can get in Arambol. So you कितने दिन रुके यहाँ पे?
Last time तो 10 दिन थे. This time I think 1 week.
Calcutta sir.
North Bengal से.
North Bengal, Siliguri. Ah, nice, nice.
Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
Oh, that's a long place.
Yeah.
You staying here?
Yeah, we're staying here for it's been a while, more than a month. We're shooting real estate.
Oh, okay, okay.
So आते रहते हो गोवा?
आते रहते हैं.
आते.
आते रहते हैं.
सारे आते रहते, आते जाते रहते. So you are with your friends or?
That one is my husband. The second person is my husband's colleague.
Okay, nice, nice.
So what are you shooting for?
So we're shooting for, we're trying to decode Goa.
Oh, okay.
So real estate wise, the places that you should visit. We've covered a lot of places,
Okay.
and today was the day for Arambol. Alright, so this is your first time in Arambol?
No.
So
Third or fourth.
the vibe is completely different this time, right?
It's very different.
So, है ना?
Usually when it's filled with Russians
Yeah, most of them are European crowds and all.
this time, and it's very overcrowded also. Like when we
It's same like you come here or you go Baga, same, right?
yeah,
at
it's the same, almost the same thing.
Too crowded. So where do you work?
I teach in a college.
Okay.
In Siliguri itself. And,
Okay.
These both are teaching in a university.
Nice. All three teachers, right?
All three teachers. That's right.
Okay. Nice.
It's very cold
So-
in Delhi now.
Delhi very cool. That's why I'm here for last. I'm missing Delhi. So probably I'll next.
So how many days are you there now?
It's been more than a month right now. I'm just getting too tired now. I hate Goa. I don't love Goa. It's now getting too much on my nerves, man. I'm missing Delhi
You
NCR.
should stay in.
I mean, for a while, Goa it's good. Na? I chill
But right now,
kara.
I don't want to go back.
I don't want to work in like most working wise. It's like people are laid back. Nah,
Very
This was
late.
off for 1 month.
I'm a self-employed guy, so I have that liberty to
Now, presently.
go anywhere.
Are you staying in Arambol itself?
Now I'm staying in Seolim.
Seoul.
Staying in
It's an
Seolim.
Airbnb or what?
And now I have a flat there.
Like you own the flat.
Yeah.
That's good for you.
Yeah, maybe I don't know. I be like, it's like outside, na. You comfortable at home. You stay at home. Like for a weekend, for a getaway for a week, it's good.
that's
But
good.
after a week, it's like okay, now it's getting too much.
मेरी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, फिर भी जो मैं सोचता हूँ जो रियल एस्टेट थाईलैंड में या मालदीव्स में जितना डेवलप किया है उसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नीदर फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट साइड
हाँ
नॉर फ्रॉम प्राइवेट सेक्टर इतना अच्छा डेवलप किया है क्योंकि
Right.
ये सीमित है फार्म हाउस सेक्टर में जैसे पंजाब और हरियाणा में
right.
लिमिटेड एंड अर्बन एरिया में तो मैंगलोर या इसमें मल्टी स्टोरीड बिल्डिंग में बट टूरिज्म ओरिएंटेड रियल एस्टेट होना चाहिए.
Yeah, what do you think about Goa's future real estate plans? Like Goa is coming up with international airport, Mopa at Mopa. So what do you
I think there should be a 51% reservation for the land holding for 99 years lease for the local and 49 years to the partner. मतलब ये sold नहीं होना चाहिए बाहर वाले से जैसे हम लोगों को लिए लेकिन
ये भी नहीं है. It's not there.
I mean now you can't like see most
that's
of
the
the
point.
things you can't
It should be
own.
retained. It should be retained.
Retained
Lease
by
system.
localites?
Yes, lease system. But the lease system should become permanent for 99 years. 2 साल के लिए पैलोलेम रिसोर्ट यहाँ है दूसरी बार वहाँ बनाओ सियारा के डेमोलिश कर देगा ये
I
ठीक
mean, you
नहीं
will
है.
from outside. What benefit you will get, man?
लाइक जो लोग इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं
I
फ्रॉम
mean,
कमर्शियल
like,
पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू
I would say
उनका
like,
बेनिफिट होगा.
see, no hate to Goan
Or-
people. I love you guys, but like most of the development that would ever happen, these guys can't do it. We need big multi companies,
Yes, of course.
like
Goa won't
outer
remain
money
Goa.
to build this up.
Of course, but
And-
the
That
point is
happens,
that
Goa doesn't remain Goa.
but the point is that for
Yeah,
example
I mean, like
It has
some.
its own charm. So I think that will get
no.
lost.
Like the multinational.
I mean, you're not allowed to own anything near the beach.
No.
Like
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
this is
you
shit,
can't-
man, right?
Yeah. No, but this is everywhere.
So, I
Actually,
mean, like, most of the
actually, all the
people, they have to
structures in
sublease it.
Thailand, for example, or Singapore, for example, which are right on the beachfront, are actually illegal. I mean, if the government takes legal step, because I know the laws of these countries very well, I am a frequent traveler there. वहाँ भी बीच में जो hotels है, वो illegally है. वो किंग का साथ अंडर द टेबल डीलिंग में चल रहा है.
पैसा and
I
power.
feel that
हाँ,
it should
लेकिन वो
be.
लीज 99 इयर्स के लिए होना जरूरी है 2 साल के लिए नहीं ताकि
हाँ।
जो इन्वेस्ट करे वो 99 इयर्स के लिए
सर
इन्वेस्ट करे.
सरकार तक आपकी बात जरूर पहुंचाने की कोशिश करें. So if anybody if anyone is listening to this conversation, so please 51% गोवंस के पास रहे 49% बाहर वालों के लिए रिजर्वेशन होनी चाहिए, right?
And that
उससे
is
ज़्यादा
also for long duration.
for long duration. And I don't know, man. Like these rules take years and years of
आप कौन सी-
practice and then
From which area are you flying for politics in Goa?
He's not applying.
ऐसे
Anyways, nice meeting you,
Nice
man.
meeting
Pleasure,
you.
pleasure is mine. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good morning, India. So, हम हैं यंग इंडिया की फर्स्ट चॉइस आरम बोल फिरंगियों के बीच में. अभी तक फिरंगी दिखे नहीं ना, तो अभी ये
दिखे रास्ते में।
कचड़ा है.
रास्ते पे तेरे दिखे
रास्ते में दिखे, इनको नहीं दिख रहे ना अभी. इनको भी तो दिखने चाहिए. मिलेगा सबको मिलेगा. थांबा. सो आरंबोल काफ़ी अट्रैक्टिव चॉइस रही है यार सबकी. इट्स अ नाइस प्लेस, different vibe to it. I was advised to come 6 o'clock in the morning. We have yoga centers here. So there's free yoga on the beach at Arambol. You guys must come. Places where you can get joint का सामान. इसमें लोग तंबाकू रखते
नहीं सर.
नहीं. यहाँ पे इसके अंदर आपको वो डालने का, टोबैको डालने का और फूकने का. सिर्फ टोबैको. ये जितना भी सामान है सिर्फ टोबैको के लिए लोग लेते हैं. दिस इज़ अ शॉकिंग स्टेटमेंट. ये अच्छा अनलिमिटेड वाला क्या? डेनीस फलाफल, very nice. Close to Arambol beach. You have unlimited shawarma, unlimited falafel, only unlimited falafel for 100 rupees, and it's a beautiful, beautiful place. Must try. आरंबोल आ रहे हो तो ज़रूर पेट भरना. सुबह से कुछ खा के मत आना, दोपहर को आना पेट भर गए खाना. हाँ, एक कॉफ़ी के लिए कॉफ़ी शॉप है ही अच्छा. Let's go little more inside. Check. It's okay, yeah.